probably you have tried to program with a language model, and you have found that at the beginning it looks very good, it does everything you want, but at the specific point in time it just starts to output garbage, and you cannot solve the problem. It's because when your program is too complex, too long to fit in its working memory, then you can't really edit the program further without somehow directing the attention of the model. And that means that you need some help for this, and Junior is your help for doing this. In fact, Junior writes itself, and Junior is really not trivial. We have a lot of files here. Let's see, just the source directory where really every file was generated by ChatGPT, and we have a backend here, we have front end here. We have command line interface, and really a lot of prompt designing and building things. So let's go to the backend, where I recently implemented a new endpoint. Let's see how it's done. Using Junior, I had to describe this what I want. This is what I have entered to this so-called prompt descriptor, and Junior generated a prompt for me. This is what it generated, and in the response contained this shell script, which we call the change. So I had to apply this change by executing this shell script, and that's it. It just worked. Yeah, I asked for how to test it using curl, and it just worked. So now we can create a button for this endpoint. So I would like to see a green button here, which when clicked commits the change what was applied recently. So let's try to do it. So first of all, I have to edit the attention descriptor. So what we need is a green button that posts to so just post to there, yeah, and maybe some. Okay, so we have a constant message. Okay, so let's see how to do this. We have to solve our original problem. We have to direct the attention of this model, and this is the previous one for the backend. We are developing the front end, so we need a new attention, and for this I just open the files in this editor, which I think we will need. This is this app.jsx where it will reside. We have this other button there, for example, this execute. Maybe the rollback button is something that we have to show, because then it can learn how to do something like that. And here we have some service that just calls the URL. So yeah, we will need something similar to this. I think it's okay. So I execute this write attention command in this in Visual Studio Code. Junior had an integration with it. You see that now the files are there, so it's great. I open it, I see it here, everything looks good. Then I generate the prompt. Maybe I can yeah, I can read it if I want. Usually I don't want it. I just create a new chat, select GPT-4. It's very important. It's not working with GPT 3.5, and let's see what happens. I was intentionally vague in my wording for you to see that if you really define everything, the wording is not so important. Yeah, I'm not sure if it if it will work. We will see. So let's see. It creates a plan. So it wants to add the green commit button. It will create a new component, a new service, and it will add this button component to the app. It looks good. Let's see what's in the code. Yeah, it looks good. This one also looks good. This is not so good. I'm not sure if if that will work. We will see. It likes to execute set, but I'm on OS X, and it usually forgets how to. But there is some difference between OS X and Debian. Yeah, we will see if it works. So let's paste and execute the change, and it seems it worked. Yeah, it created everything and even modified the app.jsx. So it looks good. Let's test it. Oh, it's there. Maybe try to commit. Git changes successfully fully committed. I click on it. Wow, it's committed. Yeah, it just worked. That's it. It's not always so easy, but well, that was really a demo, I think. So if you are interested in this project, check out. It's not production ready yet, but it's already usable.